cut metal, tile, and concrete with this Milwaukee M12 cut-off saw. The tool's Powerstate brushless motor spins the disc blades at 20,000 RPM to cut through these materials. It also features a red link plus intelligence, which protects from overload. It also has a built-in LED light to illuminate dark workspaces. As part of a toolkit, you get 3 blades, an M12 battery back, charger, and other accessories. If you need a saw, why not get this kit with nearly everything you need? We have the best price on this Milwaukee M12 cut-off saw. Shop JB Tools and save.